As mortgage products becoming more complicated than ever before, now it's very confusing time for many home buyers. One of our viewers asked why it is a good time to buy a property now if the interest rates are actually rising. Number one, with the upcoming Bank of Canada rate increase on July 13th, home buyers will lose 8 to 10% of their buying power. It means that an average mortgage of $500,000 will be reduced to $450,000 for the identical borrower and income details. Number two, for those who are concerned about cash flow, there is an option for true variable mortgage with static payments, which will not change until a trigger point is reached. Prime typically has to rise by 2% or more in order for the trigger rate to be surpassed. I posted a detailed video explaining what the trigger rate is, and you can find that in my library. And number three, real estate investors who are looking to refinance their current home and reinvest the equity in the next rental project must get approval as soon as possible. If you wait for after July 13, then your equity will be much lower. I hope I answered your question. Follow me for more mortgage tips and call me to discuss your mortgage situation.